The suspense over Maharashtra's next chief minister is likely to end soon. The Bharatiya Janata Party will elect its legislative party leader, and the name of the chief minister will be announced today. Now, this comes ahead of the Mahayuti government's swearing-in ceremony, which is scheduled for the 5th of December. BJP central observers Nirmala Sitharaman and Vijay Rupani will arrive in Mumbai today for the legislative party meeting where a leader will be elected. Speaking exclusively to Times Network, Shiv Sena MLA Sanjay Shirsat dismissed speculation that caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde was upset and hence left for his native village in Satara district, even as government formation has been delayed.
आज आप आजाद मैदान पे आप अरेंजमेंट्स देखने आए हैं।
यस, हम सभी पार्टी के नेतागण अभी यहाँ देखने के लिए आए हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है।
सर, लेकिन हमने देखा कल यहाँ पर कोई मौजूद नहीं था। क्या एकनाथ शिंदे नाराज हैं? सर, पहले ये बताइए।
कोई एकनाथ शिंदे साहब कोई नाराज नहीं है।
हाँ।
हम सब लोग और सभी पार्टी के राष्ट्रवादी, शिवसेना और भाजपा के लोग आए हैं। अभी हम यहाँ का सर्वे करेंगे।
सर, क्या डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर का पोस्ट एकनाथ शिंदे जी को मिलने वाला है? क्या एकनाथ शिंदे जी के पार्टी का क्या कुछ फैसला रहने वाला है?
उसके बारे में दोपहर में बताया जाएगा।
Meanwhile, Ajit Pawar is in the capital to table his proposal of cabinet portfolios to the BJP High Command. As for the cabinet arrangement, sources say Eknath Shinde is ready to be demoted and made deputy chief minister. However, he is insistent that the home ministry remain under him. Shinde is also pushing for the speaker's post, but the BJP isn't keen on his demands. The BJP says the chief minister and his two deputies will take oath on December 5th, and another Mahayuti meeting will take place a day later to decide on portfolios. Preparations for the grand event are underway at Azad Maidan.
Of December, and as far as the arrangements are concerned, it's going to occupy the capacity of this particular Maidan seems to be of 40 to 45,000. It can occupy people around this. We also understand that 22 states CM and DCM are expected here. There's a huge stage that is being set up. In fact, there are two adjoining stage. Also, there are special arrangements being made to accommodate sages, saints and religious leaders. At the same time, we also understand is that the cadre of BJP top brass leaders and also important leaders across Indian politics are going to mark their presence, and understand here very importantly that in presence of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the oath-taking ceremony for the Maharashtra CM is going to take place on 5th of December at 5 p.m. and the last stage arrangements and the securities that is going on at Azad Maidan.
One thing, I was MOS home for 4 years, and I know for sure the CM of any state has an equal or more dominant role to play in home department, more than the actual home minister, because all the IPS transfers cannot be done without the consent of CM. So this is what a combination. When NCP and Congress were ruling Maharashtra, the home ministry always with NCP and chief minister was always Congress. So what difference it has made to the state? If they have proper combination, and combination of Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde is the best combination I have ever seen.
महायुति की बैठक तो 6 के बाद होगी, हमारी बैठक 4। मुझे जो लगता है अजीत दादा उनके कुछ व्यक्तिगत कारणों के लिए गए हैं, इसमें कोई कुछ मांगने के लिए गए नहीं। जो मांगने का था, जो बताने का था, वो तो पहले ही चर्चा हो गई है। अब उस पर चर्चा होगी नहीं। अब जो निर्णय होगा वो तो शपथ विधि के बाद 6 तारीख 7 तारीख को, उसको किस विधि के बाद भी समय है भाई। कोई 5 तारीख को 5 बजे शपथ ली और 6 बजे कोई 5 तारीख को विभाग का बंटवारा थोड़ी होने वाला है। समय है भैया।